Welcome all, brand new day, brand new video, another set of cars. Okay, same brand, three different models. So first is coming like this. Everybody knows the brand. This is a Lambo and this is a Lamborghini's Murcielago, or 2-decade-old model, but a very legacy model and very popular model from Lamborghini. This is the second one. This is the Lamborghini Huracan, latest of these three, which I am going to show you. I'll show you third one. Third one comes the big one. This is the Aventador, Lamborghini Aventador, Murcielago, Huracan and Aventador. So this one basically is a Murcielago, very famous, and this is the color which has been associated with Lamborghini every time. Okay, Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. So this is 640 HP particular model, scale 1:36. Lambo का logo है आगे, पीछे भी Lamborghini, it's clearly mentioned over here. And obviously this is a pullback, as you see, this is a pullback model. It was featured on the cover page of Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 from Electronic Arts, along with the Ferrari 360 Spider. एंड आइकॉनिक मॉडल, और इसकी खासियत ये है कि इसके आपको पता ही होगा, इसके डोर्स ओपन होते हैं ऊपर लाइक दिस. एंड दिस वन इज़ द लेटेस्ट ऑफ दिस, बिट कॉम्पैक्ट मॉडल, छोटा है इन दोनों से. एंड इसमें वो स्टाइलिंग भी नहीं है, इट्स नॉर्मल डोर्स एज यू सी. इसमें भी डैशबोर्ड का लेआउट एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ परफेक्टली डन. इंजन लेआउट एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर इवन इन दैट कार ऑल्सो. तीनों में जो डिज़ाइन में जो एग्रेसिवनेस है, दैट वाज ऑलवेज इन एवेंटेडोर. ओके, बट दैट वाज पर्टिकुलरली आफ्टर इट वाज टेकन ओवर बाय Volkswagen. Lamborghini was taken over by Volkswagen. This is the vehicle before the takeover by Volkswagen, Murcielago. But this model, now we have seen many variations on this. Now there is a Huracan SV, there is a Huracan Super GT, there is a Huracan Superleggera, and various versions have come. There is now 2024 Huracan has come, so this model is still going strong. And now comes the best of the best, Aventador. This model is very famous. इसकी RC कार का एक वीडियो मेरी प्रोफाइल में है. I have an RC car for this also. I love this model so much. When I was with Lamborghini working with them, I collected these die-cast metals as memories. इसका कलर भी कितना प्यारा है, यू कैन सी, पिंक कलर, वेरी गुड लाइक. एंड ऑल दीज कार्स लाइक कार्स हैव a wrap or so going on, color wrap every time periodically, when the owners do the color wrap on these cars periodically to change the colors every time, because painting it is very costly. So always there is this kind of color changes by putting a paint wrap on the car, so it looks like that. And this is definitely, this is a matte finish, this is a gloss finish, this is a gloss finish. Lamborghini Aventador LP700, as you saw, this is LP640, this was 570, and this is 700. So you can see the 700 HP is the most powerful of this lot. Okay, इसके डोर्स भी काफ़ी स्टाइलिश तरीके से ओपन होते हैं, as you can see over here. So beautiful it looks, super cool it looks actually. ओके, यहाँ पे एवेंटेडोर का ब्रांडिंग है, या यू कैन सी. ओके, ओरिजिनल कार में यहाँ पे भी एवेंटेडोर का ब्रांडिंग होता है ऑन द फुट स्टेप, बट इन दिस लाइसेंस्ड मॉडल इट इज़ नॉट देयर एनीवे. यू कैन सी द डैशबोर्ड फ्रॉम हियर, इट इज़ प्रॉपर ब्लैक, जेट ब्लैक कलर. इट्स प्रॉपर डैशबोर्ड, प्रॉपर लेआउट, एवरीथिंग. इंजन लेआउट इज प्रॉपर ओवर हियर. This has a very sporty look rather than this one, because this one is a bit older model, so you can see, but again it was ahead of its time anyway. So आप देख सकते हो, aggressiveness is there here, most aggressive. This is the least aggressive I find. Okay, this is the older model, so you may find it the least aggressive also. If you see, यहाँ पे भी mentioned है LP704, if you see here. इसके व्हील्स अलग हैं, क्रोम प्लेटेड व्हील्स आर देयर इन दिस डाइकास्ट. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ब्लैक व्हील्स आर देयर, ब्लैक अलॉयज. these are chrome alloys, so looks different. So ये हाईलाइट होता है मॉडल. एंड अगेन दिस इज इन रेड कलर. सेम कलर का डेमो कार भी लैम्बोर्गिनी का है हियर इन इंडिया. इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ डेमो फॉर लैम्बोर्गिनी, रियल लैम्बोर्गिनी Huracan, you can get a car which is red in color for the demo. Love these models, love Lamborghini. So guys, that's it from my side. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some more videos. Thanks a lot. Good day.